Hi and welcome to my new video. This is the video that I've been expecting for. It is the sauna cleaning. We are also gonna clean the bathroom that you see over here. The grouts really need cleaning, the floors need cleaning, and just overall I'm gonna get it ready for Christmas, for the holiday season. And I hope you have had a good time before the holidays. I hope you can get motivation from the video. I will show you our sauna and our bathroom and how I clean them. Now, sauna is something that you should clean regularly if you own one, and it does make the sauna much more enjoyable, and also the sauna needs cleaning on a regular basis. How are you doing, guys? I hope everything is good with you. Right now, as I'm looking outside, we have a snowstorm that has hit Finland. It has been here for, this is the second day, and I've heard that it's gonna go on the third day too. So sauna really is needed in our family. I'm gonna show you here a few products that I'm gonna use. The one that I'm pointing next, this one is Sini Ecosieni. This is sauna cleaning detergent, and these two I'm gonna use for the floors. The AJAX is for the floors only. I do have on the right my new grout cleaning tool and the bucket that I'm gonna fill with water and add the detergent that I am going to use. This is for the sauna. I am first going to just make the liquid that I'm gonna use for cleaning the sauna. But before that, when you're cleaning the sauna, make sure that you're gonna wet all the wood. It is important because you don't want the detergent to be absorbed in the wood in the sauna. So just a quick tip before you start. Wet the sauna first and then add the detergent, the liquid that you're gonna use. I usually do it like this, but this time we are in our new home and the shower doesn't have that pressurized water. I don't know why. We are trying to figure it out, but normally I just, water the whole sauna with the water hose. Didn't work this time. I had to go with the traditional methods. And now I have watered the sauna already, and I can start scrubbing with the solution I have here. I hope you are enjoying the video, and please give it a thumbs up if you do, and share the good message of sauna and cleaning the sauna on regular basis. I love having a clean sauna, and I love going there after I am done cleaning. And that's how I did after my sauna cleaning. I hope that all is well with you. I'm gonna come back to you later on the video, and there are some amazing results in the end of the video on the grout, so please keep watching, and if you have anything you need to do, grab it and go. Take a timer. Even 5 minutes makes a difference on your preparations for the holidays. See you later. Now I was trying the Cine product that I had on my hand, the little scrubber, and it wasn't good. It actually fell apart. So I changed to something that I like to use very regularly when I'm cleaning any of the tiling that I have at home, like the wet areas in sauna and in the bathroom. And this is also from Cine. I don't remember the exact name. Cine is a Finnish company that makes very good cleaning products, and I was really saddened that the one scrubber that I was using didn't work. You know, it felt when it was on my hand and when I began that it is a good one, but no, I don't think it would work anywhere else either. I want to be honest when I'm sharing something about cleaning products, because I want everyone to know what they use and what they're buying, and to just get things that they need. This one you can attach to a mop handle, and the one I'm having here is also from Cine, so they go together. I don't know if it will work with other mop handles, but Cine has good ones that you can adjust according to your height and to your needs. After I clean the sauna, the wood areas and the floor underneath the sauna benches, I just watered the benches, and then I'm taking away all the excess water under the benches. Yeah, so, and I'm using a little bit more water just to get everything out, any detergent that would be under there. And I am also watering that bench just to clean it on an easy way. And actually, this is what I would do. We don't have such a good water pressure for some reason. We have to figure it out in the shower head that we have right next to our sauna in the bathroom. So what I usually do is that I'll just use and like shovel the water with the shower head into the sauna. And you can do that if it's close to your sauna. If it's not, then I know people have used also a power washer. So once my mom did that to my grandma's sauna, and it fell apart. Now that was a really old sauna, so I don't think it would happen to you if you have a modern day sauna. But it might, if you use too much pressure, it might damage the surface. I don't know, but I know people used it and it is pretty efficient. Like, you know, a good way to wash it if your sauna can handle it. You need to figure that out before you do that. And here I'm using the same scrubber from Cine to the tiling, and as you can see, it does such a good job. That's why I love it. And I'm using a little bit of Scrub Daddy for the grout, and I am just spreading it, scrubbing a little bit to get it there on the grout. And then I have this new tool, this one over here. It's a grout cleaning tool. I don't know if it has any specific name, but I got it from Normal, and that's a store here in Finland. I think it's originally from Denmark. They are a pretty big chain in the Scandinavia, and they sell cleaning products, makeup, just any, you know, just everyday life cleaning products that you would need for the body, the hair, the home, and just all kinds of other things. They have really good prices, and I don't know how much this was. I think this was in a mystery bag that either I or my husband bought, so can't tell you the exact price, but I don't think it was more than, you know, some euros. And I'm trying to use it for the grout, and it did work really well. You will see the results in the end of the video, and I'm so happy I have it. It took a bit of work, so what I will try next time is probably some type of attachment that you can put on a drill. I think we have one or two of those. I haven't tried them earlier, I don't know why. I like to clean the grout so that it really gets clean, and sometimes I feel like the attachments that you put on the drill don't necessarily go so, you know, into it, but we will see. I'm gonna try it next time and tell you how it goes. But how is your Christmas looking like? We have a few plans, but not that many. Mine is to clean the home thoroughly, and you will see in my future videos before holidays some deep cleaning videos where I will clean some of the areas in my home that I know need deep cleaning and that I want to have fresh for the new year also. And I hope that your Christmas preparations are going all well. I hope that your holidays will be wonderful and that you get the motivation, the health and the energy that you need for doing whatever needs to be done in your home for the holidays. And if you have anything you want to know more about sauna, let me know in the comments, or if you have experiences in the sauna, let me know. I love sauna. I love going there, especially in the winter. We go there during the summer too, so we go on every season basically. That is how we do it here in Finland. And the Finnish sauna is a little bit different. If you haven't been there, it is hotter than what normally people might go to sauna. For me, if you're a beginner, 60 Celsius might be a good one to start with, and when you progress you can go to 70 degrees, and if you're a regular sauna goer you might like to have the 80 Celsius degrees for your sauna and above that. So I like mine in the 70s, that's pretty good. And definitely like to plunge into a cold lake if there is one nearby. We don't have anything here close. We had before, but we weren't able to use it in the winter. But if there is, I will definitely go. Now I do hope you have a good time preparing for your holidays. Continue watching. There will be the end results, which are pretty amazing. The scrubber did a good job, the new one that I'm just holding on my hand, and I hope everything is good with you. And if you want to know something about sauna, let me know in the comments and tell me your experiences. If you're not a Finn, the Finns usually just like it. Not everyone, but most of us do. Please enjoy and click like, subscribe and share the video and the message of sauna and cleaning.
I don't know where this life will take me. I just know I'm here for the ride. Baby, there ain't no sense in waiting. Yeah, we don't know if we got the time. Oh, I'm just a country girl in a real big world. You can catch me on 65, driving to the mountaintop. I don't make no stops. Yeah, this town was once all that I knew. I'll never forget my roots. I'll never forget my roots.
Here we're getting to the end of the video, and you will see the end results. The sauna and the bathroom got really clean, and I'm just so happy you're here. I hope you can get your first sauna experience if there is anywhere sauna near you. And here is the before picture of the grout and the tiles, and soon here you will see how they came out. Really good in my opinion. I hope you have a good holiday when it comes up and you have all the motivation you need. There will be more videos about deep cleaning before the holidays coming up, so stay tuned. Here is Santa's official sauna fragrance. I tried it already. It is amazing. It has different winter and Christmas scents. I normally use the ones that you can see over here. My sauna is ready. I'm gonna go and enjoy. I hope you do too. See you later.